Hello and welcome back to the channel, guys. So this is the new Acer monitor I brought. This is the Acer Nitro XZ6 and it is a 29.5 inches monitor, and it has 200 Hz and 1 milliseconds response time. The brightness is 400 nits. You can check out the details. I'll quickly unbox it and show you. And you get the stand and the monitor stand and manual. So these are the ports on this monitor. You have the power cable, you have two HDMI and one DP port, and actually you have two DP ports here, and also you have a 3.5 jack. The sound of this monitor is not so loud, so you can connect some external speakers. So guys, I have connected my laptop to the monitor. So this is how the colors are coming out. So it is really great. I've been using this monitor for more than a month, and the experience has been really good. So that's it, guys. If you want a value for money monitor, you have to go and buy this monitor. And please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you.